So hello guys, welcome back. Episode 2 of what camera to use if you're doing a vlog, or what options there is out there to use. So today we're looking at this little beast. This is the DJi Osmo Mobile. Now you may have heard of DJI products before, very popular with the drones. But they also make some very awesome cameras, and they do an Osmo and do a couple of expensive Osmos as well, and they also do the mobile one, which is basically all the joy of the Osmo, yet using some features of the phone. So rather than you having to go out and buy the full Osmo package, you buy this package here, the base, the gimbal, and your smartphone, which you probably own already, and you're ready to go, like you go. So how it works is a gimbal, so everything's stabilized when you're filming, so you can see that it can go pretty wild, and yet we're still staying pretty much in focus. It's not as good with the 7 Plus, 8 Plus, because it does tend to wobble round just a tad, but what it does do, which most vlogging cameras don't do, is tracking. Now let me just move this and we will demonstrate. Would appear we don't have to where I want to go. That'll do for now. So I touch the screen there, he says. And then, oh, try again. Oh, it stopped. Now, this happened a few times today. I chucked up another video today. We were just messing around. We had the kid, we're playing, Thomas, just having a laugh, trying different cameras, seeing where we stand, etc. And I did notice it's a very touchy screen. So what we'll try and do is, first of all, track me. So now it's tracking me. We'll go back to record. So as you can see, it'll probably lose me now because I've just moved this. But now it's tracking me. So, say you want to make your own webcast and there's only you to make it. Well, you're going to struggle to kind of beat this setup, aren't you? Let's be honest. Because it will literally follow you wherever you go. Now, I do have a Smoothie Q gimbal over there, which is better. Should we get the Smoothie Q? We'll get the Smoothie Q. Oh, you've lost me. I am lost. I will never be found. Where's it gone? He's going crazy now, gimbal. I'm here. So it's found me again. So the Smoothie Q gimbal doesn't lose you where this one does, because the Smoothie Q goes all the way round. Similar kind of setup, a lot cheaper. Smoothie Q. Will that one do? Much better battery life as well. But it's not following me. Nice. And it stopped again. Oh, it's so touchy, this display now. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is why these reviews are pretty good, because this is the shit you're going to come across and think, why the hell did I buy this? And we'll start back up again. So Smoothie Q, all the way around she goes. All the way around. Like all the girls. She goes all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. There's a new DJI that's just come out, and they have a new mobile version. I'm not sure if that does the full whack or not. If it does, it's not a game changer because you don't really use that much there, but this movie queue, you bear in mind this movie queue costs like £199 or probably $199. Did pretty much the same, and that's the most important part. So anyway, that's today's look at the DJi Osmo Mobile. Is this the best vlogging setup possibly? I think so. Works on the move, works at home, but we haven't tried the GoPro yet. Still to come, la GoPro. And on that note, we will say au revoir. Yo, 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 yo. What's up? It's your boy, the FY Beast. Here we are. We got a hobnob, apple, pie, blackjack. Let's go crazy. Okay, we're gonna see if we can do it. Here we go. Man. Boom! Have a good day.